Hi guys, my name is Owen O'Reilly from Sip Exclusive. We're a mobile bar and beverage company established in 2015, and we've been missing you all so much during lockdown that we came up with a really cool experience at home for you guys to enjoy. And we teamed up with a brand, we teamed up with Gordon's Gin to put together a really cool package which we'll tell you about shortly. Gordon's Gin is one of our go-to products that we use in our bar here at Sip Exclusive. This is one of the most affordable, best London dry gins that we like to use here. This has been the London dry standard for over 250 years and was established in 1769 by Alexander Gordon. And we hope we can give you some awesome and amazing tasting cocktails with this great product.
Hey, what's happening, good people? So you guys got the boxes, eh? You guys got the box and like, oh, let's start with this, let's make it right. I'm Peter, the gentleman Levese, and I'm the beverage consultant or the beverage developer at Sip Exclusive. And I'm really happy that you guys got these boxes. Like Owen said, through COVID, we were worried, and I was really worried that I couldn't be with you guys, we couldn't be close to you guys and actually make drinks like we used to. But then what we wanted to do is like we had to come with a way that's just going to be really cool solution that's interactive, but also gets you guys to still have our vibe, be close to us, but also just have that little spice that we have when making the drinks. So we just wanted to bring a really cool box, nice and neat, packaged for you, just showing you guys how to make some cocktails. And this is the bad boy itself. Look at that, eh? Woo! Okay, so this box alone is just powered and it's kitted with all the tricks, all the little nifty little tools you need to make your drinks and to make these cocktails that we journey with, really nice and easy classics to play around with Gordon's Gin. But let's put this down. Let me show you guys what I got in this, right? So first things first, when you get this box, you're gonna see this lovely spirit, Gordon's Gin. That's the first thing that you see in there. It's beautiful, pronounced, lovely, easy bottle. And then what we did is we got together with the guys and we got you guys a few tools. So your bar spoon, you've got a shaker, you've got your jigger to make sure that you don't over pour, because it's all about balance, and that's why we give you the jigger, right? Remember, balance is key in this whole thing. That's the story we're going to be telling you, so we're going to be going with that, right? Then from there on, guys, I've got some tonic in there for you to make that long, nice, refreshing, easy G&T. You know how it is. If it's gin, you got to find some tonic. If you want to get naughty, you find a bit of that syrup, baby. Keeping it sweet and keeping it right. Oh, yes. So we got some simple syrup here for you guys. With the simple syrup, we encourage you to play around with the ingredients we have in here for you guys to play around and get some flavors. And like I know Dex is going to tell you about that. Owen's going to tell you a few ways of like mixing it up. It's going to be really cool. And then we've got something really cool which I love. And it's a really lovely, light, refreshing drink, especially for summer or just the start of spring and autumn, which I call, which is the 75. 75, we got some JC LaRue here, really beautiful MCC. A really beautiful MCC that you can just top up on your drink, and it actually brings these beautiful notes, beautiful carry with the gin, and you can't go wrong. So that's another number that's in there. So that's just a little bit of what's in there. I still got in here, oof, our little bad boys. We got our Bitter aperitif, and then we've got our sweet vermouth. I did not forget, and I'm not going to leave you without a bit of what's right. Yes, hey, that garnish, you know, it's right. You got some citruses there, which always power, and like this, they just make sure that your drink carries, we bind it all together, and this always does well with gin. You can't go wrong. And then what we did is we made some really lovely tea bags in here for you guys. So with your tea bags, we've got some rooibos in there, we've got some raw cacao in there, we've got some like dried oranges. What you do is you drop them in your glass, bit of hot water, get your gin, you are winning. And then what? Take it out, you can rewash it, reuse. Because that's what it's about, making sure we can reuse, just like the box, let's be sustainable with it. And I'm going to finish you off with what's nice and what's green. You find it in your garden, some rosemary. So that's just what's in the box. And then with all that, I think that we should find someone and let's make you a drink. I think Dex is going to do that for you, because hey, with all this, I'm thirsty. Let's get to it. What's happening, guys?
Hi there folks, my name is Derek. I also go by Dex and OC Dex. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a lovely gin and tonic with the lovely Gordons that we've got here. That's obviously what you're going to need from your box. What you're also going to need is your tonic water, And then we're going to be using a jigger to measure out the perfect serve. What is a jigger exactly? It's a measuring tool that's got a 50 ml side and a 25 ml side on the other side. Today we're going to be pouring a double gin with our tonic. So the next step is we're going to grab our glass. You can use any glass. We love to use this stemless wine glass. You can use a highball or anything that you really have available at home. So firstly you need to ice this up all the way. And then we're going to grab our tonic. Now just a quick did you know on the gin, it was actually rationed to soldiers in the Navy in the early 19th century. And what they did is they actually took sugar, lime, and they mixed it with their gin and their quinine just to make the quinine a little bit more palatable. The quinine was obviously used to repel malaria mosquitoes, and that's pretty much how the gin and tonic was created. It is also a spin on the classic highball. So guys, from there we're going to take our tonic water, we're going to top that up, and then what is also included in the box that Peter showed you guys is this lovely dehydrated orange and cinnamon, and we're just going to add a nice slice of that. And there you go, you've got your lovely gin and tonic. Enjoy.